What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Hello. Hello. Yeah. You're copying people, huh?
What's your name?
My name's Isa. What's your name? Really?
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. It's hilarious.
Hello.
Hello, everybody.
What's your name?
Oh, he beat me to it.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Did you say goodbye? So you were leaving?
Goodbye.
Hello. Do you guys like your place here? Yeah? Got a pretty nice home. That tree doesn't even have a trunk. Hello. Hello. How are you? He wanted to shake my finger earlier.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. He wants your finger. Hello. He wants to shake your hand. Hello. Hello.
Okay. Oh, he wants to bite you. Hey, look at you. Upside down, upside down, upside down. Upside down, upside down, upside down. Are you a mean bird? Are you a mean bird?
What's your name?
Aaron.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
Which bird?
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Are you a pretty bird?
What's your name?
Cyrus.
What's your name?
Maybe he doesn't know his name.
Pretty birdie?
Are you a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird?
Pretty birdie?
Maybe he's talking about a girl.
See how strong their beaks are that they can hold their whole body.
I love that they're here checking us out. You just think they're hilarious, don't you? What's your name?
Yeah, I'm not gonna fall for that again.
He's bringing you something.